Well, hello and good morning. It's just before 7 o'clock, Sofia, Bulgaria. So I'm going for a city walk. It's gonna be a hot day, so I'm gonna do this early in the morning. And yeah, I think I'm gonna get some pretty good, nice views like in this. So join me on the city walk of Sofia, Bulgaria. This street is like the main boulevard. I'll put the name and of the street and the famous buildings. I'll put them in the video. I cannot pronounce them anyway, so. Sofia doesn't really have like an old town like major European cities, but it's got some beautiful landmarks like this one, Bulgarian Orthodox Church, and there are more coming up. A lot of churches here, a mosque, a synagogue, Catholic church. And I show them all to you. So why Sofia? Yeah, I'm on my way from all the way north Denmark towards Istanbul, and Sofia is the last big stop on this train adventure. So. If you missed out on that videos, now check out the channel. 3 episodes all the way from Skagen to Istanbul. So this is one of the many excavations they have. So yeah, so below the line is original, and this was made on top to protect the original stones. So that's pretty cool to see. Pretty much all the top stones are new. And there we see the only mosque in the city. I think only like 2% is Muslim in the city, like 90% orthodox. It used to have to be like 30 mosques in the city in the early days. Don't know exactly. So down here is also one of the central subway stations, the metro. Yeah, I'm gonna go for a metro ride later on, but first enjoy sunrise. Come on, pigeons. really like all these old trams and new ones in the city, in all kinds of colors, green, yellow, and they're easy to use. I will explain that later. That is pretty cool. That's just a mock-up or an old tram on display, not for use anymore. Looks cool. So it says Tourist Information Center, so opens up at 9, so yeah, another 2 hours. So it's 12 minutes past 7, so that means sunrise. So these fountains here are thermal, so they're 37 degrees all year round. People get their water from here. So behind me you can see the famous Sofia yellow brick road. So the story goes, one of those bricks is pure gold, and if you find it, you can keep it. I don't think somebody found it this far though. Yeah, people complain about it. It's when it's raining or icy in the winter, it's extremely slippery. It looks cool. They're not that yellow anymore. They get like yellow-gray because all the traffic goes on top of it. And on the left side you see the former royal palace. And it's a museum right now. Bear with me, it's my first time in Sofia, so if I'm getting things wrong or you want to add things or correct me, no problem, just put it down in the comments. Try to remember all kinds of stuff here, but so how was that for a view? That was a beautiful sunrise. I think the perfect spot in the city, behind the Alexander Nevsky Cathedral. So in front of me, the Saint Sofia Church, so the oldest church in Sofia, and Sofia got its name from this church. The thing was built in the 4th century. So this is St. George Church, the oldest standing structure in Sofia, built during the Roman Empire in the 4th century. So it survived all the wars and it's still intact from bottom to floor to the top of the roof. So I also think in this building is where the Prime Minister or the Minister, I don't know, or the President, I think it's the Prime Minister, where he has office during work hours.